We've had 14 exchange students before these boys come.
We have Shujat, who comes from Pakistan, and Omar, who comes from Egypt. Our new sons came into our lives through the YES exchange program. Just having someone from another country living with you, you learn so much about them, and it's pretty hard to hate people if you have someone from that place that you love.
When I first came here, I was scared. In Pakistan, most of the people think that, Americans don't like Muslims or Pakistanis. But see, here I am, a guy from a very small village in Pakistan, out of nowhere, comes to America. And people so welcoming and so loving.
Hey, it's history!
Yep, I'm back again.
Yeah!
And they don't care about which religion you're from. Pakistan. And here's where I live.
It's exciting to have these kids in our home because we learn a lot about their cultures and their country, and we've grown to love them as part of our family.
Oh yeah. No.
That was a 50!
Not very long ago, we were at a Baptist church and we were celebrating Veterans Day.
Keep us steadfast in the cause of human rights.
It was really a wonderful experience for me because my host dad himself is a veteran.
Oh, beautiful.
And all the, patriotic songs. I love how Americans celebrate them.
I have learned so much about the Muslim faith, and they've been very willing to share that with our confirmation classes and with churches and with their classmates. And I think people are very surprised at the fact that we are more alike than we are different. It was wonderful for our kids growing up with these kids in our home. It has given them an education about the world that they never would have gotten otherwise.
Okay, if you ever need $3, let me know.
No.
Hardest part is letting them go home. Do it.
Yeah,
Just
do it.
open up your heart and do it, because it can open so many new avenues for you.
Don't worry about the little things.
Yeah, don't stress the small stuff. Just, these are kids, and basically they need what every kid needs, some love and understanding and just acceptance and being part of your family.
Right.
They're great kids,